Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable and use the parental controls in Netflix. So if you want to set a profile for your kid so that your kid uh, watch a kids only a kids friendly shows or movies on Netflix, you can just set up parental controls, or you can also just make a kids profile on Netflix. So here to start, you can just open your Netflix and here go or put your cursor in here and go to the account. And now you can just scroll down and you'll see this option, adjust parental controls. So you can click on it. But to enter the parental controls, then you need to enter your account password. So this will prevent anyone with no access to go to this page. So you can just enter your password first. Tap on continue. So here under the parental controls, you can set the profile maturity rating so that your kids can watch an appropriate titles for them. You can set it by the age from 7 plus 10, 13 plus 16, and 18 plus. And you can also add title restrictions in here, so you can just add the name of the movies in here, shows or movies, to block them so that it will not show on your kids profile. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.